Alright guys, in this video we are going to be talking about how to use circles. Now go to file, go to new, choose parts. Part has opened up. Now let's choose a sketch plane. Choose front plane again and choose sketch. Now pick your circle tool. Right now in the property manager of circle, you can see that we have circle itself and then perimeter circle. What's the difference? It's very simple. For circle, you just need to specify 2 points, 1 and 2. For perimeter circle, you need to specify 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. So if I want to draw a normal circle, I will just leave it on circle. Let's choose it again, circle. I want my circle to begin from the origin. That is why I'm starting at this point. I could start it from here, it doesn't matter. So I draw this circle. I pick my first point, I'm dragging down, and then I click to pick my second point. So now, guys, I've drawn my circle. Alright, I want to go and I want to pick perimeter circle. So I pick perimeter circle, and I come to this side. I choose my first point, 1. I choose my second point, 2. And then I choose my third point, 3. Now, you use perimeter circles when maybe you want to draw an inscribed circle or a circumscribed circle. What do I mean? Let's pick line 2 that we used before. Now I'm going to use this line 2 to draw a triangle. So pick my first point, pick my second point, I pick a third point, and then I pick a fourth point. Now I go to circle. I want to draw a circle that is inscribed inside of this triangle, such that every side of the circle is touching every side of the triangle. What will I do? I'll make sure I choose, follow my cursor, choose perimeter circle, so I can pick side 1 and then side 2 and then side 3. You see, we have inscribed circle. As simple as that. Now I want to draw a circumscribed circle this time around. So I'll pick point 1, point 2, and what? Point 3. As simple as that. That's all for circles, guys. Very simple.